Okay, we have here Karcher K3, so it's right here. Price is around $200, and let's go together to unbox this washing machine. So let's do it with the knife, like this. Second, like this, and top like this. Okay, and now we can check together what is inside. So we have here some razor surface cleaner, so some instruction for this cleaner. I think we find here inside, so I will input it here. Then we have here some possibilities with the right accessories, so some instruction with QR code which you can use. So the next one, paper. Then we have here in English some next instruction. What is danger, tension, etc., warning. And the last is instruction for K3 Classic or Premium cleaner. Okay, so we can check it then. Now we would like to unbox. So thank you, merci, danke, gracias. You have to register your product and benefit from many advantages. So you can register it, or thanks to this. And now we can check what is here. So we have here some parts. Some holder, next holder. We will check together what is what. Then we have here some chemical, so facial cleaner. Then we have here's next one, some car shampoo, so we can clean our car. You can try it then. Then we have here some wheel, so one wheel and second one, some two wheels, so we can mount together then the machine. Then some brush, but the quality is not very well. When you see what I see, it's look very cheap. We can try it then, but it's really not very good quality if it's from German, but okay. Then we have here some part, you can move it. Some nozzle, then second gun, okay, this is for the hand part of the washing machine. Okay, now is the gun. Okay, the quality is really wrong. I don't know if you see it, but it's not precise. It's really like from China, or I'm not very satisfied with this. You can see how does it look like. Okay, so next one. Then we have here some next parts. So again, some nozzle for the gun, and next nozzle for the gun, hard and soft. And then we have here some cables from and pressure hose. So at the end we have here pressure hose. So a lot of parts, as you can see. And finally we can take from here the machine main cleaner. So it looks like this. So it's all what we found inside. Now we can try to mantle this machine. So thank you for the watching, and we continue with the mounting. Thank you for, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to buy the same, you can find the link below.